Practical design provides everything you need in a video doorbell while looking fantastic at the same time. 180 degrees vertical FOV. Top to bottom views of your doorway. Never let another package get left out of frame. Two-way audio, custom detection zones, alerts, remote access and more. Wi-Fi connected. Dual band 2. 4 GHz, 5 GHz. Existing doorbell wiring required for power. Free 3-hour cloud storage now available. View and download video clips that have been saved to the cloud in the last 180 minutes. Top reviews from the United States. Great product, price, subpar documentation, support chat phone available good. Installation was super easy. It is exactly like other hardwired doorbells. You'll need to connect the 2 wires to the back and then the small box to the doorbell box inside. Note that you should take a picture of the password on the back of the device. You'll need it later. Once on the wall, connecting through the app is easy.